Good day, everyone. Today, we'll be explaining how these codes work. I'll go through each part step by step so we can understand its purpose and how it's helped the program run properly. This will give us a clear idea of what the function does and why it's important in this project. The user open register page. They see Phil's username, email, and password. If everything is valid, the passwords get securely hashed for security. The account is saved to the MySQL database. The user sees a success message here. The user sees a message. Registration is successfully. You can log in now. Next.
Next, the user opens the login page. They can type either their username along with their password, and then they are redirected according to their role. If they are user, they'll be taken to the user dashboard, and then if they are admin, they'll go straight to the admin dashboard. As admin, you can add other users.
On the login page, they click Forgot Password. The Forgot Password page appears asking for their email address. Once they enter it and submit, if the email exists, the system generates a secure reset link valid for 1 hour. This link is sent to their email inbox. It will redirect you to the login page.
And that's all. Thank you, sir.